This is the final project for the hackathon, and my project is called the Molecule Forge. And the way it works, that it is streamlines the development of the creation of the molecules. And why this is important? Why is it effective? Well, because in today's world, the scientific discovery is accelerating. So at the same time, since the technology is also growing, I thought it would be a great idea to integrate both. So this website, this platform is used for generating the drug research compound based on whatever the original compound is, and this will be really useful for the researcher out there. And why is it so? Because we will see it in a few moments. So talking about a bit on the technical side, my project uses the newest technologies on the development of the website. For example, Next.js on the front end, and for the database, I am using MongoDB. Also, in case of AI, I am using this NVIDIA's Morning model, and it works on the mutual information machine. And the way it works is it uses the concept of decoder and encoder. Encoder in this model is the part of transformers, and all of the working are done by it. Also, it is really efficient because it uses about 500. It uses about 6 layers, and each of those layers has a hidden size of 516 MB. So this is the model that I'm using, and what it does is that it takes some smile string, and this smile string is of some organic compound. And what it does is that it have few parameters. For example, the number of molecules we want to generate from this original molecule, also the number of molecules which will be generated, they can have some of the similarity towards the original one. If we make it more close towards one, then it's gonna be really similar to the original one, which would be rarely the case if anyone would use it, but it's just what it is. Now, that was just the technical side. Now let's just see how this really works in action. So this is the sign up page, and the researcher which will be coming on the website will have to sign in. So let's just do a basic sign up real quick. Let's say this time is going to be okay. There's no need for buying, it just depends on whether you need it or not. So let's just hit sign up. It's gonna take some while, and the account is successfully created. Now we just need to sign in the researcher over here. Once we sign in, we are gonna land in the dashboard page. So this is all the things that we can do with our platform. And let's just say we have a molecule bank. So what this component does is that it renders some of the hard-coded molecules that we have in the database and provides its structure based on some molecular weight. It's just a basic page of describing how some of the molecule looks like, but the major functionality of this application, the major usefulness comes with the model section. So what this does is that it's really similar to the Mormon model, and the way it works that we provide some of the smile strings. These smile strings are of compound, and the number of molecules we want to generate based on this smile string, also the similarity of the generated molecule. So it, since it's 0.3, it's not gonna be really close to the original string, original compound, but still it's gonna produce some of the similar molecules based on it. So let's just say we hit generate molecule over here. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna generate the molecule. Now we can see all the generated molecule over here. There are 10 that we have described over here. Yes, so there are 10 molecules. Now each of these molecules is similar to the original one, but not perfectly similar. And why this is important? Because in the discovery of the new drug for the medicine, it's really important to mimic some of the properties of the original compound, but yet gaining new properties. So this will be really useful for some researcher out there. Also, we have the research section over here. The way this works that if there is someone who don't know how the compound look like, what are the basic physical and chemical structure of the compound, we can hit the name of the compound over here and we are gonna get all the information about it. So let's just say we have glucose. Once we press enter, we are gonna get all the information about it. Now this is not hard coded in the backend. This is actually coming from the AI part. And we are gonna get we will get all the information like the molecular formula, its smile structure, and also this is really important because now we can use this smile string on our model and generate the similar molecule based on this glucose one. So yeah, this section is also as important as the model one. Now finally we have the message section. So how this works is that there are going to be many researchers around the world. So what they can do is they can create new groups. So let's just say we have groups and then they can start talking to each other on their progress, that they can communicate with each other on real time. Also, we have created many several groups before for testing it out. So yeah, this is all about my application, and I hope this works well while you test it. And thank you for watching it to the end.